Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Quicken Personal Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Quicken Personal Finance login. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. This is the home page of Quicken Personal Finance website. On the top navigation bar, you can see sign in option. Here you have three options. Now click on My Account Sign In. Now you need your email address to sign in, so type in your email. Now if you have forgotten your Quicken ID, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on Create Account to create a new account. Now click on Continue. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click here and reset it. Now click on Sign In, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Quicken Personal Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.